Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a different kind of video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get my nails. I haven't been doing my nails ever since the pandemic. I think I did it like once after where I live they kind of opened up, but just to play it safe, I've just been doing press-on nails. Now these are the ones that I really liked at the store. These are the Gel Fantasy ready to wear gel nails. They come with 24 nails, and it says they last, or these don't. Oh yeah, up here it says it's a 7-day wear, but I can actually get mine to have them on for like maybe 2 weeks if I really do the right steps. I'm going to show you guys how I do them. This is not the correct way or the wrong way. Like, again, like I said, this is how I do it. So I'm going to start off by opening up this packaging. They recently just started to do these little tapes on the sides because they were not doing these at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop these open from the side. And then I'm going to show you guys what they have. So it comes with the nails. It comes with a glue, which you can use this or any glue that you have at home. It has some instructions, and then it has the little tabs. And then if you open this up, it has a little nail file and like a little cuticle stick so you can push your cuticles back. I hope I'm in frame because I've never done a video like this. So again, this is everything that it comes with right here. I like to use this to push it back, and also I do prep my nails before doing this step. So what I did previously is I used one of those little cuticle scissors and I cut them pretty much. Now if you don't do that, you can just always push them back, which is a step that I still do. Like, I don't ever skip this step. The only thing about cutting your cuticles is once you start doing it, you really have to just maintain it. It's just one of those things that once you start, you really gotta keep doing it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and push it back. So once I've done that, you want to go ahead and gently buff your nail. This is gonna help for the glue to really stick on, but also this removes any oils that you have on your nail. This step here, like this, will either really make your nails stick on, or you know, they'll be popping off like crazy. But if I were you, I would really do this step. I wouldn't skip on it. So once I've done that, now you're gonna start by pretty much just finding what nail fits your own nails. So you want to start off by measuring them and then just kind of lining them up. I'm just gonna do, I think, the gold ones. I don't know where. So let me go ahead and do that off camera, and then I'll be back just to show you which nails are gonna go where. But yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so now I am back. These are the nails that are gonna go on my left hand. So now it's gonna get time. So what I like to do here is I like to a little bit, just the tiniest bit, file the ends here, just to make them just a little bit more rounder so they can really fit my nail bed. You don't have to do this step, but I like to do it just a tiniest bit. You probably won't even be able to tell, but I just like doing that to all the nails. And then when you place the glue, you don't want to overdo it, because then it kind of tends to just spread on out of the nail and it'll be like in a really sticky situation. So I like to do about that much, and then you're gonna go ahead and place it, and then you want to press on there, not that hard, just so it doesn't all like come out, but enough to where you know you're gonna secure the nail. So I like just to hold it for a few seconds. Again, I think this is like an easy, cheap way to have your nails done and looking cute. I paid $7.49 for these nails at Walmart. So like I said, like about that much. So now I'm gonna go in with the next nail. Sometimes I find that I only have to buff that first nail. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of glue again. spread it on out, and then you want to place it. I really hope I'm in focus, guys. And again, you want to press gently. I've been doing these for a while now, and again, they really last a long time. They are more than 7 days if it says on there. Like I said, you do want to prep your nails properly. So yeah, I really like these. And then I also love that they have a bunch of different like styles. They have short, they have longer than these, by the way. These are the long ones. They have the XL ones, which I have already tried, and they are so good. Like if you really want to have that super long nail experience, girl, those are worth it. Those are around like $10.99, but nothing is over 15. So they have the XL all the way down to super short, I believe. These are the large ones, which I think they are a pretty good size for me. But like I said, I tried on the XL and I really love them. And then when it comes to sizing, you want to make sure that they're not too big for your nail bed, because then they won't look as natural. But I really like this like matted look. So again, you want to press on there long enough so you know that they are gonna stay on. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go back into my nail file. You can use this one or the one that you have, whatever. And I like to pretty much just buff the tip, because they do have, I don't know if you can see it, but they do have this little extra edge at the tip that obviously doesn't look cute. So I just like to buff it out. And then the last step is, if you have any nail oil or cuticle oil, you want to apply that now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So guys, I cannot find my cuticle oil, but I'm going to use this one. It is a face product from Milani, but I've used it before and it actually helps just the same. It is just the Milani Prep Smooth Face Oil, but I'm going to go ahead and use it for my nails today, just so they can look like I actually went to the nail salon. And then this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoy my nails. I really like how they look. Trust me, they're gonna last you a really long time. They look cute. But yeah, this is how the nail is turning out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other nail and then just show you guys how it looks. So then these are the final nails. Again, I think they look super cute. They are super affordable, only $7.49. You get like salon results at home and your nails are gonna be looking cute. Again, I think this is totally worth it. So yes, guys, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.